Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today's another episode of Kijom. If you guys like our page on Facebook page, go and check it out. Like and share our videos. This is going to be episode 2. And if you're watching us on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe, share. It's all good. Today we'll be talking about more food. Anyways, check us out. We came here for the food, so we're going to show you the food later. Just check them out. They're really good. Marshallese food, yo.
Makala yakai alam yakai. Ini kawajaran dari gerak. Oh, ini baik cakamai, udan cakamai. Ini, tentu. Kenapa tak kerja koi? Karena tenon koi bar karena kerja. Karena kerja ni. Nyam kare ko jong mag cakamai. Yang na unyan kalar tanai. Brown lunen no ini ot ay cecet dengan ralet tuh barbecue meli jaya
So today's episode we are covering this thing called do and non-ramayo kitchen kana do ipen right popo cakamay. Woo, wait, man. Orang ko cuma dengan ano tayo nakarpa anti pala na pake entry tayo nakarkan natin lagunen ilan pigeon rugaw boy repa wait neno. Anyways, we are covering a food called gizzard. In Marshallese we call it do. When it's barbecued properly, it'll come out tender, juicy, crunchy. Oh, it tastes so good.